Bay Windows Des Allemands offers a unique opportunity to enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. Our expert bay window contractors in Des Allemands provide top-notch bay window services, ensuring that each installation meets the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. Whether you're looking for custom bay windows or energy-efficient bay windows, our team is equipped to handle all your bay window needs. Custom Bay Windows Des Allemands, LA, are designed to fit your specific style and preferences. Our bay window design experts work closely with you to create a bay window that complements your home's architecture and enhances its overall look. With a variety of bay window styles available, you can choose the perfect design that suits your taste and budget. Energy-efficient bay windows Des Allemands are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Our bay window specialists in Des Allemands can help you select the best energy-efficient bay window options to maximize your home's energy savings. Bay window replacement Des Allemands is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our bay window replacement services in Des Allemands, LA, address common issues such as leaks, drafts, and damaged frames. Trust our bay window experts in Des Allemands to restore your windows to their original condition. Bay window replacement Des Allemands, Louisiana, is a great way to upgrade your home's appearance and functionality. Our Bay Windows Des Allemands replacement services offer a wide range of bay window materials and bay window dimensions to choose from. Whether you're replacing old windows or installing new ones, our bay window solutions in Des Allemands ensure a seamless transition. Bay window maintenance in Des Allemands, LA, is crucial for preserving the beauty and efficiency of your windows. Regular bay window maintenance services in Des Allemands help prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your windows. Our bay window specialists in Des Allemands provide comprehensive maintenance plans tailored to your specific needs. Bay Windows Des Allemands, Louisiana, are crafted from high-quality materials to ensure durability and longevity. Our bay window frames in Des Allemands are available in wood, vinyl, and aluminum, providing a range of options to match your home's design. Choose from our selection of bay window frames to enhance your home's curb appeal. Bay window glass in Des Allemands is available in various styles and finishes to suit your home's decor. Our bay window glass options in Des Allemands, Louisiana, include clear, frosted, and tinted glass, allowing you to customize the look and feel of your windows. Enhance your home's privacy and style with our premium bay window glass solutions.